Assalamualaikum and good day. My name is Siti Hajar binti Azaman. My entry number is 193250. Today I'm going to present my final year project with the title of Modeling the Heat and Mass Transfer Phenomena during cooking of skipjack tuna in convection oven. Fish are perishable and allow for fast microbial development if it's not well handled. Hence, the temperature control is one of the important factors in order to keep products safe to be consumed. Myofibril in fish meat, which composes of long proteins, and this protein unfolded causes denaturation. Protein denaturation can cause water losses due to the protein solubilization in the liquid fraction of fish. Therefore, besides temperature changes, moisture changes also occur, which introduce to the heat and mass transfer phenomena of fish meat during oven cooking. Mechanistic models of heat and mass transfer are able to predict the temperature and moisture distribution during oven cooking process of fish meat. However, for the oven cooking process of skipjack tuna meat, only a limited of mathematical models are available. Therefore, the objective of this study is to develop 2D axisymmetric physics-based coupled heat and mass transfer model for cooking of skipjack tuna in convection oven and solve the coupled partial differential equation using finite element method in COMSOL multiphysics, and to determine the temperature and moisture changes in different points of fish and to simulate the effects of cooking parameter on the temperatures and moisture profiles using COMSOL multiphysics. During cooking, heat transfer mainly through convection from the surrounding circulated hot air, while conductive heat flux comes from the baking plate on the bottom of the fish meat. The effect of radiation is small compared to the convective transport. The heat is then internally transferred by conduction and convection into the fish. Water migration within the product takes place by diffusion and convection mechanism, where it is included in the model governed. Moreover, the swelling pressure due to the water holding capacity and the pressure gradient are the driving force for the convective water transport inside the meat, and can be described by Darcy's law. The liquid water expelled to the product surface is then evaporated to the surrounding air by convection. Based on the illustration before, this is how I model 2D of the heat transfer model. Besides the heat entering the product, the heat also being removed out from the system causes the heat slowly increase during cooking process. For the boundary 2 and 3, it was assumed that convective heat transfer occur and the evaporation of water by convection also occurred. But on the boundary 4, there is no evaporation occurred since the bottom surface is directly contacted with baking plate. And this is the mass transfer model which related to diffusion and convection process during oven cooking. C is the moisture concentration, while Kc is the mass transfer coefficient. On the boundary 2 and 3, the moisture removed out by convection. Hence, both of the heat and mass transfer is coupled and linked by each other. This is the COMSOL multiphysics interface. There are several other types of physics, but in this case, the most suitable physics are the heat transfer in solid and the transport of diluted species. Moreover, these are the parameters we use in modeling partial differential equation specific for skipjack tuna meat, and heat transfer coefficient is measured. This is the temperature and moisture profiles inside the fish meat during cooking in standard condition. The temperature gradient for 1 minute of cooking lower than for 10 minutes of cooking. The outside temperature shows the higher in temperature than on the middle of the fish, since the middle of the fish is the coldest part and not directly exposed to the oven temperature. Moreover, as you can see, within 2 mm only, we can see the drop significantly in the moisture content. The middle part shows that no significant changes, means the middle part is still juicy after 10 minutes of cooking. The temperature on the middle of the fish, which is 0.2, illustrates lower time development compared to the other points because of the 0.2 is the coldest point. The 0.1 is lower than 0.4 because there is no convective evaporation occur at that point, and that will cause the water on the point gathered, causing the temperature slowly increase on the bottom surface. The moisture profile development show insignificant changes on the point 1 and 2, but on the point 4, we can see that the moisture removes out significantly, therefore the outer part is drier than on the middle part. For your information, the well-cooked tuna meat is when center of the meat reaches 60 degrees Celsius. As for the effect of oven temperature on the temperature and moisture profile of fish meat, temperature development show faster on the top edge surface than the core point out of all three temperature after 10 minutes of cooking. The core temperature doesn't show any significant changes even when cooking under different oven temperature. While for the moisture development on the top edge surface reduce faster than on the middle point. The middle point moisture stay constant after 10 minutes of cooking. Therefore, using high oven temperature does not help so much in terms of producing the perfectly cooked tuna meat. The fish meat can burn on the outside, but the temperature on the inside of the fish meat doesn't change so much. As for the effect of heat transfer coefficient on the temperature and moisture profile, we can see that the significant changes on the temperature on the outside and on the coldest point of the fish meat when cooking under different heat transfer coefficient. For the moisture content on the middle point of the fish meat, moisture profile doesn't show any significant changes, but on the top edge point, which is at the point 4, the change can be seen and it is quite big. The time taken for fish meat cooked perfectly is lower when using high heat transfer coefficient compared to using lower heat transfer coefficient. In the conclusion, COMSOL Multiphysics allow for the conversion of a 2D model to a 3D model as well as the representation of the temperature profile throughout the cylinder, allowing for a better understanding of the transport processes that occur inside and the estimation of those parameters for any cooking temperature and subsequent cooking times. Oven temperature changes will cause the outside temperature changes as well, but not on the middle of the fish meat. The moisture also changes only on the outside that directly exposed to the temperature. The moisture will be preserved, but the possibility of the fish meat burn on the outside is high. Changes in heat transfer coefficient causing changes both inside and the outside temperature of the fish meat. Besides, the moisture on the middle of the fish meat also reduces faster when cooking under faster airflow velocity or high heat transfer coefficient. The cooking time can be reduced and perfectly cooked fish meat can be achieved if the fish meat is cooked under high heat transfer coefficient and moderate oven temperature. That's all from me and thank you for watching my video and have a great day.